By the year 2030, over 300 million jobs will disappear. Yes, minus 300 million. AI isn't just drawing pictures. It's replacing doctors, engineers, drivers, editors, customer service agents, almost everyone. But don't panic. In this video, I will show you exactly how to survive and succeed in the age of AI. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll reveal 5 powerful skills that I can never replace. Host, AI is entering every industry. Factory workers, technical support. Customer service, data entry, drivers. Graphic designers, video editors, even teachers. According to the World Economic Forum, over 300 million jobs will be replaced in the next 7 years. This isn't the future, this is happening right now. Host, AI is replacing humans for 3 main reasons. 1. Speed. AI completes hours of work in seconds. 2. Cost, AI is cheap for companies. No salaries, no sick leave. 3. Accuracy, almost zero mistakes. Whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or other models. They can write, teach, code, edit, analyze, and even create content. So the question is not, will AI take jobs? The real question is, how long can you survive without AI? Host. These jobs are the first to disappear. Data entry, basic graphic design, customer support. Cashiers, receptionists, basic video editors. Accounting assistants, blog, article writing. Virtual assistants, delivery drivers. If you're in any of these roles, you must pivot quickly. But this isn't all bad news. AI does not just replace jobs, it creates new, high-income opportunities. Fast-growing jobs of the AI era. AI workflow engineer, prompt engineer, AI trainer. Automation specialist, cybersecurity expert. VA developer, data analyst. Software engineer, AI integrated content creator. Online tutor using AI tools. AI didn't destroy the job market, it transformed it. If you want to not only survive, but grow in the AI era, follow these 4 steps. These tools can boost your productivity 10x. 1. Learn AI tools, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, Canva AI. Eleven Labs, Descript, Cree, Gamma. These tools can boost your productivity 10x. To become a prompt engineer. Prompting is the new literacy. If you know how to command AI, you're ahead of thousands. 3. Build a digital skill. Choose one. Video editing. Coding Python, JavaScript. Digital marketing, web design, script writing. 3D animation. Social media management, e-commerce automation. AI makes learning these skills easier than ever.